In today's video, I'm going to teach you Cloudways versus Bluehost. Which hosting option is better in 2026? If you build websites, run an online store, manage client projects, or you're just getting started with WordPress, your hosting choice matters more than most people realize. A weak hosting setup can slow down your site, hurt the visitor experience, and make it harder to perform well in search results. Two names that come up again and again are Cloudways and Bluehost, but they take very different approaches. In this walkthrough, we'll compare both platforms, look at how they work behind the scenes, go through the deployment path, and finish with a quick safety check before going live. And to get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the official website for the platform you want to review, either Cloudways or Bluehost. Then sign into your dashboard securely so you can access the hosting controls and see the environment options clearly. Now let's look at the first major difference. Server architecture. Bluehost mainly offers traditional shared hosting on its entry plans. That means your site shares server resources with many other websites. If one of those sites gets a sudden traffic spike or uses too many resources, your site can slow down as a result. Cloudways works differently. It gives you access to isolated cloud servers through providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, or AWS, so your RAM and CPU are dedicated to your own environment. That creates much more consistent performance. Next is speed and caching. Bluehost's shared setup typically relies on a standard server stack with basic caching. Under heavier traffic, that can lead to slower load times and dropped connections. Cloudways uses its optimized Thunderstack setup, combining tools like Nginx, Apache, Varnish, Memcached, and Redis. In practical terms, that means faster page delivery and better stability when more visitors hit your site at once. Now think about scaling and long-term cost. Bluehost may look cheaper at first, especially with promotional pricing, but those plans often require long upfront terms and renew at a much higher rate. Entry plans can also limit how many sites you host. Cloudways uses monthly pay-as-you-go billing with no forced long-term contract, and it allows multiple websites and applications on one server depending on available resources. If you want to launch on Cloudways, go to your dashboard and click Launch Now. Choose the WordPress optimized application, then select either DigitalOcean Premium or Vultr High Frequency. Set the server size to 2 GB of RAM, choose the data center closest to your audience, and click Launch Now again. The platform will provision the server automatically. If your priority is simple, low-cost setup, Bluehost may be the easier route. Log in, choose an entry-level shared plan, complete checkout, and follow the onboarding wizard. It also includes a first-year domain and built-in email hosting, which can be helpful for a basic site. Before connecting your live domain, review your hosting settings carefully. Check your application name, confirm your server resources, make sure backups are enabled, review firewall and security settings, and verify that your SSL certificate is active. Once that looks good, you'll be ready to move forward with confidence. That's it for this comparison, and I'll see you in the next video.